Hello everyone, I'm Giuseppe Basili, also known as the Fib Stalker, and today is Sunday, October the 30th. It's 10 to 12 to midnight p.m. EST time here in Toronto, and in this video I'm going to review for you the pound related majors, and I'll throw in the Canadian versus Japanese yen as well. So let's start and look at the long-term pound versus US dollar here. For those who follow me know that we've been modeling this market now since a few years, and most recently in 2014 we had the 170.30 pushing price lower, and we had an important development a few weeks ago when that price hit in that whoosh move. Hit the 119.07. A lot of people keep um, shorting this market, but in my opinion, that's an important level of profit taking. We saw that profit taking, although this market is kind of stabilizing with a short bias here. This market has been very, very technical, traded 50% retraces into target, as we saw 139.42 from the participation in the 158.80, and then in one day, the day of the Brexit, we saw the market setting up again into that 148, sorry, 85, and then trading one day into that first target. The market continued lower in the subsequent few weeks and got into that 19. So this market as as another other levels of potential participation short if he gets that, and and that's what I'm looking for at this point. Obviously, this market could continue lower, but I don't see a lot of potential on the downside. We need kind of the shorts to recharge in a way, and the shorter, the closer level I see is that 127.94. I cannot say if and when this market will start moving higher. I don't know whether it's gonna put a lower low here, or a double bottom, or even continue lower. What I know is that if he gets into this level, be very, very closely monitoring this price to try to start a new short in this market. Okay, so I'm not gonna play counter trend. I don't know when and if that counter trend will play out. That's not an edge I have in the market, if you ask me. That's not something I can answer. Some people ask me, what do you do? What do you think this market or that market will do? And my clear and honest answer is that I don't know. I only know areas where the market will find a strong support or resistance due to participation of smart or dump money. So really not a lot to do in this market. As you can see, this market is kind of working out the interest of shorting of this bear short dump shorts here, and one that area could still again push this price lower, but eventually when it gives up, I mean, we should see this market moving higher into the next area, weekly short, which could and should um, um, move and push price low, at least for a little bit here. And same situation here for the other pairs. The pound versus US dollar has been moving laterally in a very tiny range on the weekly here for some time. Again, until we see this market getting into this weekly short, I'm not going to take action here. Of course, this market could break above this level. It's working out again, that area. And if it breaks, you can move actually sensibly here, 300 pips above. And if that happens, that's gonna happen very, very quickly. Actually, however, I don't have an edge again on this market. I'm not able to say when and if that's going to happen. And in fact, I want to trade this market on the long side only if it's confirmed that there'll be no participation from the dump money. Pound versus Australian dollar. It's one of the most interesting market there is, because it has the highest average pip per day, and so it's very interesting market. It's moving. It's moving on top of this second target here. And as you can see, every time this market, also last week, went into this target, there was some sort of participation. So this could indicate that, well, this certainly indicates that weekly and monthly shorts are not interested in pushing this price lower, at least not for now. And this market has actually put a double bottom as well. That's not an indicator or an indication of price behavior that help us a lot. This market still has to work the bear conditions here, and that unfortunately will take time. So as you can see, the bear on the 4 hour very clearly here, we can see the bears actually pushing this price lower, while there is smart money here on the 4 hour. This kind of tries to push this price higher. Conditional building on the smaller time frame, but this is not enough for us to take a position. And one could play a break here, but remember, this market is going to be into a daily area of dump money short participation, so you don't want to deal with dump money. So again, I mean, we will wait on these pairs. There are better pairs to play, as I mentioned before. New Zealand Japanese yen, Euro Japanese yen. We mentioned the Euro Swiss franc as well, so we don't have to resort to situations that are unclear in order to get good trades for this week. And similar situation for the pound versus New Zealand dollar here. Similar situation. All these markets are working out these areas of dump money short. As soon as they come above that, they will briskly move 500 pips here into that 178. That's not the case yet, and when we will have that, we'll also have the opportunity to play a retrace or to play a breakout, although I'm not keen of playing breakouts in this situation. I always play retraces. So let's wait in this pound versus New Zealand dollar as well, and the pound versus Canadian dollar. In the situation, this market has been stronger here, and this market is more clearly moving into the next measure move, and you will see that this market has actually traded an extension here, which found participation around 134, 33.98 here, which is this area here that starts here. The 61% level was respected, and this market continued lower into the first target, and the second target was not tested yet. All right, so there's the possibility for this market to either continue to the second target or trade the next area of dump weekly shorts there. And that's going to be very interesting play. So although we have to wait a little bit in these pound related pairs, I think that eventually they will give us opportunity. Now, when we look at the pound versus Canadian dollar here on the daily, it's working out this area of resistance, and it's being supported also. We see here support on the daily as well. As you can see, the 50%. It's actually daily participation long starts pushing this price higher, and there's no need to rush. The first target lines up with that 13 EMA, and we will see how this market behaves. As it gets there and comes back, we'll need to see whether it respects the next measure move or it goes and trades all the way to 50% again, and there may be a place where we can pick up this price. If this price continues higher, that's all good. So bring price into an area of potential strong participation long, which would actually drive that price lower into into that into those targets as well. So it's all good. Just need to wait that the right conditions materialize here, and I have no rush in jumping on this price. Finally, the Canadian dollars versus Japanese yen. This is a market that has been trading lower for some time. You traded the 82.49 here, which has just targets below, particularly one target 73.11. And this market also traded a few weeks back, weekly bear area here. It looks like this is slowing down a little bit here and offering an opportunity, whereas the Japanese yen is even weaker than the Canadian dollar, and this is really a battle from the weakest market, weakest currencies we're seeing at the moment. Canadian dollar, along with the euro and the Japanese yen, among the weaker. Okay, so this is it. This is it for today. We reviewed. This is the fourth section of this review. I wish you a great trading week, and let me have your comments, and come to visit me at fifthsugartrading.com. Thank you very much. Bye bye now.